friends, so we're going to draw a joke book.
Yeah, laughing joke book. Before we start, we want to give you a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. Now, we're using our gel crayons to color with, but you can use whatever you have. And also, do you have a joke that you want to tell?
Yes.
What is it?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting.
Moo!
That's a good one. I like that one. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start with our orange crayon. That's because we're coloring our joke book orange. But our friends, you could change the color. You don't have to use orange. Maybe your joke book is blue. Okay, let's start by drawing a square or a rectangle shape. We're gonna first draw a line down, and I'm kind of drawing it diagonal a little bit. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw this line diagonal too. It's going up towards the right. And then we're gonna match that same line down here at the bottom. And then we can draw a line coming down to connect. Okay, now let's draw the back of our joke book. We're gonna draw two short lines coming out the side, and then we can connect those together too. And then we're gonna draw the back of our joke book cover, or the back cover of our joke book, and then we can connect it down. Yeah, there's the shape of our joke book, and it looks 3D. It looks really cool. Good job. Okay, this next part, we're gonna fast forward because we're gonna color our joke book completely orange. Now, our friends could add more details if they want, but we're gonna keep it simple, and this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video to take time to color your books. That looks super cool, all colored in, and we also left this part up here white.
Because it's the pages.
Yeah. Okay, now let's add little hands for our joke book. This one, I'm gonna draw it curving down. We could make it thicker too. This one up here, I'm gonna curve up. Then let's add little fingers. This one will add the thumb sticking down, and this one over here, we're gonna add it kind of sticking up. So we made it thicker too. Okay, now let's add 3 more fingers for the rest of the hand. And then we can add 3 fingers up here to complete that hand. Oh, it looks really cute. Okay, now we're gonna switch to our black crayon. And what do we need to add to our little joke book?
A face.
Yeah, funny face, a laughing face. Okay, let's draw the funny face towards the bottom so that we can write joke book up here at the top. Let's first draw a smile towards the bottom. And then we got to turn it into a laughing mouth. So we're going to draw open. Kind of looks like a jelly bean. And then we could draw a tongue inside. And then let's color in the top shape. Then let's also draw the eyes. We're going to draw those upside down letter U's. So it really looks like our book is laughing because its eyes are closed. Yeah, and then one more. Okay, up here we need to write joke, and then we're gonna write book below it. So first, let's write J-O-K-E, and I went really fast, so our friends can pause it, and you can look at mine to draw the same letters. Yeah, then let's draw and write the word book, and it's the same amount of letters, there's 4. So I'm gonna put it right below the J-O-O-K.
I'm drawing mine lowercase.
That's okay, you could do that too. A lowercase b is just a little bump at the bottom. Yep, and then O's. And then another K. Oh, that looks really good. Okay, now we need to draw the feet. And let's draw them bending. We're drawing the legs too. So I got kind of thicker line. I went over it again. You right next to it. Yeah, and then we can draw the foot sticking out the bottom. And then this one I'm gonna draw more straight or diagonal coming out. So it looks like our book is gonna fall over. It's laughing so hard. And then the foot sticking up. Okay, and then also let's add little lines. These are called action lines, and it makes our book look like it's shaking, or maybe loud noises coming out of our book. Let's do one last thing. Oh, let's switch to our red first before we do the last thing. Let's color in the tongue with our red crayon. And also, if you want, we got our pink crayon too, and you could add pink cheeks. Oh, this doesn't really show up. We could use the other pink, or we could use the red. And we're gonna switch back to our black for the very last thing, and we're gonna trace back over all of the lines that we first drew so we can practice, but it also will make our drawings stand out more. So I'm gonna do that first line. We started here and we drew straight down, or kind of a diagonal line down. There you go. And then we're gonna draw the top and also the bottom. And then we connected it on the right side. And then we can draw the diagonal short lines coming out on the top and the bottom for the back of the book, or the binding. And then we're gonna connect them. And then we gotta draw the top coming over and connect down. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little joke book. And yours is my favorite because it's super happy.
I like yours because it's super laughy.
Super laughy. That's a good joke too. I also added a gray shadow down here to make it more 3D, but you can leave that off. You could also add more details. Maybe you could draw yourself laughing in the background at your book that's telling a joke.
Or you could draw more books.
Oh, more books would be better.
We hope you have fun drawing a joke book.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.